Good day mga co-fish keeper. Uspang live food tayo. Ano-ano nga ba ang madalas na pinakakain natin sa ating mga alagang isda? From fry to adult stage, madalas kong nakikita na hinahanap sa market ay BBs, Moina magna, mosquito larvae at tubifex. Sino nga ba sa kanila ang may pinakamataas na protein content? Anong hitsura nila at saan sila nakukuha? Simulan natin sa brine shrimp or BBS. It has a high protein level, 55%, 60%, which helps to support young fish to grow faster. It is rich in HUFA, high unsaturated, fatty acids, and high protein content which enhances growth. Makukuha ito sa dagat. At dito sa Daphnia magna, a common water flea, also boasts a high protein content, typically ranging from 45% to 70% of its dry weight. Here's a more detailed, high protein content. Studies consistently show that Daphnia magna is a good source of animal protein, making it valuable as a food source for fish larvae and other aquatic organisms. Nutritional value. Besides protein, Daphnia magna also contains lipids, carbohydrates, vitamins, and antioxidants, factors affecting protein content. The protein content can vary depending on the type of food Daphnia magna consumes and their physiological condition. So which means depende pa ang protein level nila kung ano ang setup mo kasi yeast at green water ang pakain ng iba. Sa tubifex worms naman, a popular food source for fish, boast a high protein content, typically ranging from 50% to 60% of their dry weight. It can be obtained from canals and other waterways. Yes, madumi yan. Kaya need mo muna lagyan ng antibacterial bago mo ipakain sa alaga mo at maiwasan magkasakit. Mosquito larvae is a good source of protein, with protein content ranging from 54 to 62% on a dry weight basis. Saan ba ito makukuha? Sa stock water or mga bakanteng tubig? Pero wag mo na subukan mag-culture. Kung hindi mo kayang ma-maintain at baka lumipad, sa ere tulad ng mga tropa mong iniwan ka sa gitna ng kagipitan tapos babalik pag may kailangan. Dakotayo samoina, a type of Daphnia, generally contains a high protein content, averaging around 50 to 60% of its dry weight, particularly Moina macrocopa, which can be as high as 60% of its dry weight. Nutritional value. Moina is considered a valuable live food source for fish fry and other aquatic animals due to its high protein and nutrient content. Besides protein, Moina also contains lipids, fat, with adult females having a higher fat content than juveniles. It can be obtained from canals and rice field. Yes, madumi po ito kaya need natin linisin ito bago ipakain. Note, lahat ng sobra ay masama, kaya dapat sapat lang ang ibigay na pakain sa ating mga alaga. Kung may nes kang sabihin, ilapag mo lang dyan at aking babasahin. Thanks for watching and happy fish keeping.